Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template. So let's start. First of all, what you're gonna do is insert three of your images and you're gonna go to picture format and go to aspect ratio and crop to shape, and in it you have to choose rounded corner rectangle and you're gonna decrease the size of that rectangle. Now go to fill and you're gonna decrease the size like this, and move the other photo like behind that a photo and go to crop to shape and do the same. Like you're gonna choose the rounded corner rectangle, go to fill, and you're gonna like crop it something like this, that it is the cropped same similarly like the first one. So let's adjust it equally as the first picture is. Now let's select the third image, go to crop to shape and select rounded corner rectangle, go to field, and you're gonna like adjust it and crop the picture something like this. Be sure the all of the photos are of same size. So now we're gonna duplicate this slide and we're gonna select the images and we're gonna go to picture format, select your image and go to picture format, and from here you're gonna crop it once more, but let's decrease the size and adjust the photo and move it like move them onto the top, and now select the other photo, the second one, and you're gonna crop it again, and you're gonna crop it like that the main thing of the photo comes in the cropped shape. So let's do the same for the last one, and we're gonna move three of them upwards. Now you have to add your text. I'm gonna paste the text and I'm gonna adjust them like besides and below the like photos. Select both of the shapes and give them more transitions. So this is the final result. You can download this template for free from the link in the description, and it's completely free to use.